Grover?
Sunil Grover was an independent find. Mr. Raj Babbar was in the film. And we had a
Yes.
press conference and his opening line was कि जसपाल भट्टी का ये तो पागल इंसान है क्योंकि he told his mother, मम्मा वो देखो वो अंकल जो कहते हैं कि आपको ना अपने घर का कूड़ा पड़ोसियों के घर के बाहर फेंकना चाहिए बिकॉज नीचे उतार दिया जसपाल जी को स्टेज से which today sadly the comedians don't have that bandwidth and don't have that audience segment. Please choose your icons very carefully. Who inspires you is so essential. And I think Jaspalji's
That is-
biggest inspirations were that part of him I saw only when he was with his engineering college friends. And the saddest part was that when Doordarshan was in the process of selling content, Jaspalji had offered saying that please give Flop Show to us. And they chose to give it to somebody else.
Right.
Of course, he was angry, he was frustrated. My heart breaks when I recollect this, is when some journalist asked him, Doordarshan was such a huge vehicle. And unfortunately, I think till today, Doordarshan never realized its potential.
Are you saying that you actually, Jaspalji, did write
Yes.
further 10 episodes and
Yes.
actually there is a good potential of
Yes.
making an extension to Flop Show?
So full tension actually created a lot of tension for us because we lost a lot of money in that. It was like major films, Raja Hindustani and something which he all refused. And the other person on the sitting on the other side had the audacity and cheek to say कि जसपाल जी को बताइए कि इसी से काम मिलता है. That it is like corruption is in the open now. For that 1 minute, I wanted that he should have got it. But he had a limited time and I think he made the best use of it.
Yeah.
He was, when the Harshad Mehta scam happened, he stood outside Parliament saying that the government should legalize corruption. We never, till today, have not got any royalty. We have not got anything out of it except for that one single payment we got. For none of our work ever, we got extensions. Because this is how you don't fall into the line and this is how what you have to pay for it. And Doordarshan's working was very, at times, wavered. But if you keep giving them what they want, then you could have 100 episodes of Flop Show. So the Nonsense Club is, I think, till today, I would challenge any artist, any field, any language to have this much of conviction, courage, patience. At one time, he was also looking at Paresh Rawalji's wife, Surup Sampath. She had acted in, I think, a serial with Shafi Inamdar ji. So, Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, exactly. And if I'm not wrong, I think he's probably the only humorist in any language to win the Padma Bhushan. To anybody who's hearing this and has an access to this conversation, all I say is not just as his mother, that let the blessings come for this child. Let the life of a common man is a Flop Show.